Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin with the essentials. Verify antenna is pointed and the LNB is powered at the correct voltage and tone. Once done, select the satellite orbital position and polarization in the receiver menu so you search the right sky slice. Then enter the approximate frequency range and an estimated symbol rate. This focuses the scan and saves time. Start a blind or network scan immediately and watch the signal meter. This first sweep finds carriers you will refine next. Now you refine what the blind scan found. Use the receiver's signal meter and constellation display to separate overlapping carriers and identify the strongest peaks. While watching SNR and BER, make small dish adjustments and tweak LNB skew to maximize signal quality. Once a peak locks, record the exact frequency, symbol rate, FEC, and polarization. These parameters turn a noisy carrier into a stable service. After locking, save the transponder and test channel, decode to confirm successful identification. Finish by saving locked transponders and running a full scan to populate channels. Make sure each saved entry decodes properly. If a lock fails, first recheck coax connections, LNB power and voltage, and confirm the dish hasn't shifted. These simple checks fix many problems. If issues persist, use a spectrum analyzer or request remote scan logs to pinpoint interference or wrong frequency ranges. Finally, rerun targeted scans after adjustments to confirm stability and complete the job.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.